Well, hello there. This is Elliot's blog. Welcome, YouTube. That's my cat, Callie, going down to nibble something. Figured I'd do a little vlog update. Sorry for the shakiness here. I'm still getting used to this wonderful camera. But this is also a little aquarium update. There's a box for it there. So you can see my floor is a lot cleaner than what it was before. And check it out. Over here is my wonderful new stand. You can open it up. It's got a shelf in there. There you go. You can see that a little bit. You can see that a little bit better. And there's the tank. The reason why I'm huffing and puffing is because I had to take this over to my parents' house to help them help me get this thing together. So I showed you the instructions on the last update, but this time, putting this stand together was a bit of a doozy. The directions really suck, and I wish I saved them. I have these little things called cam locks, which you're supposed to put into the wood and then turn it to lock it when the screw or whatever is in place. But it doesn't show you a picture of how to do it, so it was a little bit confusing. And sometimes we actually got it backwards. But we got it. So special thanks to my mom and her husband Rick for helping me put this together over the weekend. That's how we spent our Mother's Day. And there's the tank. Can you see all the fishes? You see them swimming around? No, not really, because there's really nothing in there yet. So next weekend will be the project of starting to fill the tank up, maybe with water or maybe just with the landscaping in the tank. Depends on how much money I have and how much time I have, which I actually have a lot of time. So this is an update for my tank. This is actually pretty funny because right now the stand and the tank are actually higher than my TV set. That's the next project that I have, is to build a stand for my TV. And that's my coffee table, got all kinds of stuff over it. And that's my new nightstand. Oh yeah, and here's some posters, if you haven't seen those. My E.T. poster. And then down the hall the posters go. I haven't put any posters over here yet because I hadn't figured out how high my furniture is going to go. So there you go, and there's a window that looks out into a tree. Alright, so that is Elliot's vlog for today. We will post some more next weekend. So you guys have a happy Mother's Day, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Have a good day.